computer.
Yeah, a computer behind me. What an ankle. Computer Keith, Computer West. Mr. Keith West, Keith West, he know all the tuning. He gonna get you tuned right. Y'all gonna drop a 10. I believe in y'all. At least y'all motors don't blow. Motors don't blow, do they? Yeah, that's good. Y'all motors don't blow.
We're gonna have to have some gel glue.
Yeah, y'all motors don't blow, so they good, y'all. Y'all ain't been in there yet. Y'all ain't been in there yet.
No, no English.
No English. Oh, mira. Sí, vete para acá. Mira.
Will's with?
See, Keith, man, he ain't never seen it. That's nice.
So that's the car. It's got.
Oh, he want to take a picture. Here, let me get a picture of you, man.
But it's
And I should have got me a picture. Okay, we looking at you. That's player, man. That's player. Who? ¿Cuánto?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow, tama tiempo. Okay, 10. 10. Sí, mañana. 10 mañana. Early. Okay. Yeah, I had to let them know, man. Mucho dinero. Like the end of it down there. Look like the beginning of it over here. I should have checked to see what.
Check it out. Safety Safari up there. They're saying odor of the there you go. There we go. All right, we're just trying to make it more efficient.
What side y'all got, man?
Drivers.
Twist it so you got the predictions on. Ah, you hit the wall, you lose.
Right lane goes A to B. Nice pull. Remember, folks, no burning out in front of that mat. Do not want to get DQ'd. We have some rubber mats out here for you, plenty of concrete.
Alrighty, guys, coming up next, we have the Corvette in the left lane.
All right, white Corvette owner, just make yourself known. He's holding it on the big end of the track.
His wheels are already crooked.
Hey, just hold up, guys.
Hey, yeah, straighten them up. There you go. It still look like he gonna pull to the left a little bit. Man, your wheels turning left a little bit. Yep. All right. Yeah, that's it right there. Hey, them wheels turning again. Yeah, keep
drivers. Watch the lights.
I bet he finna pull to the left. Oh, they all in the lane. Man, why these hiccups here, man? Both electric. Nah, I think it's only electric, man. I don't think them gas cars can mess with this electric. Dang, man.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I was hicking up so much. And my jaw started hurting. God
All right,
dang.
here we go, guys. Remember, it's still instant green unless you ask otherwise. Drivers, watch the whoop. You're too deep. Back that car up a little bit.
You deep staging.
All right. Drivers, watch the lights.
Damn!
Just chasing me now. Folks, don't forget, visit Summit Racing Equipment while you're here this weekend. Also, there are plenty of the Summit
Thunder stick.
RC cars available inside for purchase.
I see at Yello
They'll
Belly.
be open till 8 o'clock tonight. You shall receive.
Who done wreck?
We got a car on the track. Lee Williams, I think that's you.
He getting his burnout done, y'all.
Hey, you want instant green?
That what
Green light drop. Who was this stop?
okay. When the green light dropped, the